What's up, folks? Back at you tonight. Tonight we're going to be making sunflower crunch salad. And we're going to be adding in some stir-fried rotisserie seasoned chicken. Already got the sunflowers, bacon, and salad in there. Now we're adding the cheese. Just going to crumble up some sliced cheese in here. Some smokehouse cheddar. In with that smokehouse cheddar, we're gonna mix in some sharp cheddar. 'Cause as you know, everything's better with cheddar, baby. It crumbles up great. Now we'll give this a little bit of a stir here. Then be combining together. Little taste test, can't beat that. Grab this lid here. Now you gotta give it a little shake. Alright, we're gonna let that marinate. Now it's time to get cooking on the chicken. Gotta get this done before Brandi's break coming up. Let you know how it turns out. Alright, now while that's sizzling away, we're going to put a lid on it. Let that bad boy heat up for just a moment. What's up, guys? We just finished making Brandi some lunch, so we're going to go take it to her. So, won't you guys come along? Let's go surprise her with dinner. What do you say? All right, we made it to her work. Now let's ease back here and let's see if we can get her a plate ready and see how she likes it. Finished product, folks. And look who's here.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
Good. Smells delicious in here. Come on, Doug. Ooh, that looks so good. Yum. Thank you. That is really good.
Like that?
I really like that. That chicken is awesome.
Awesome.
Great.
Well, there you have it, folks. Quick made dinner, freshly brought. That's the joys of living in a van, is you can bring it right to work. Home is never far away. Guys, be classy, be cool, be yourself, be unique.